Guys, welcome back to another video on the Virtual Grade playlist. Right now we're inside the ice maker, and we've been trying to get out of this place because it's nighttime and we can just sneak out. So let's try to go out. Ooh, look! It's a table! And, oh my god! That's where we were! Wait! I never thought about this, but how are we going to get back? Oh, don't worry. We already spent so much time getting out. How about let's just appreciate the fact that we actually survived getting out? No, seriously, if we don't get back in, then how are we going to continue with life? Good question.